Are you ready to go rollerblading?
Yeah.
Okay. Do it next to the couch. Okay. Okay, well, if you're going to fall down, it's best to do it in the house.
I need a carpet.
Okay, here, give me your hand. Alright, there you go. Get on your knees. Get on your knees. Get on your knees. Now put your hands on the couch. Put your hands on the couch. Can you stand up? Okay. Alright, go around. Try to go around the couch like a little baby. Oh, you made it 2 feet though. Good job, Riley. Good job. Let's go outside in the grass. Come on.